Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is Introduce Master Design. In this video, we will learn about the master slide. So we can use this master slide to save our time as if we were doing something in it. So we don't need to repeat the same work in other slide. For example, we will use the master slide here. So for that, go to the View tab, then click on Slide Master. So here you can see different slide layouts. Click on first one. Now we have a lot of options in it for us to know what to do with it. So first select it, then change the font style, and you can also change the font style here. Then click on background styles if you want to background, and click on format background, and gradient fill if you want solid fill, click on it, and you can use picture or texture fill and pattern fill, which you want. You can do it from here. Now I want this one, then change the type and close it. So here you can see the background is automatically applied to all slides. Then click on Close Master View. So click on New Slide. So you can see the same font style and background. So after closing, you can see that it automatically applies to each new slide. Which you want, you can select from here. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.